pickup just in it, unique, especially in classics. 1993 Ford F-150 XLT. Two-wheel drive regular cab. This truck was owned by the same person from 1993 to 2021. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, great maintenance history on the Carfax. Actual miles, just a little over 94,000 on this one is all. Take a look at the front grill, bumper. As you can see, bug shield on there. Powered by the 5-liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, check out the bed. The undersides of this truck can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the silver stirrup. Running boards, stock chrome wheels, newer tires. And actually, some of the recent service that was done to it was newer battery, newer radiator, newer tires. And you can get a good close-up of the tread in the still pictures. See if there's some miles left on those. Let's go ahead and take a look at these lower rockers. Truck appears to be solid. And again, take a look at the undersides of it too. Cloth bench seat. Of course, power windows, power locks. Cruise control. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear of this truck and around those wheel wells. Lots of times that's where you start to see it rust and bubbling. Looking good on this one. Chrome rear bumper, a little bit of a dinger there you can see. And of course, is the paint going to be perfect on this? No. Does it show a little wear here and there? Absolutely. But hey, a lot of good miles left in this one. Well-maintained truck, bed mat in the back of it. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's look around the wheel well on the driver's side here. Lower rockers. Paint still has a nice luster to it. Alright, check out this interior and you'll be able to see still pictures of the carpeting. I have the still pictures of the floor mats out. And the seat will be a little bit misleading. If I get right up on top of it, it's going to fade out. This is a little closer to the true color, so it's red on red. But if I come up on top of it, you're going to see how it fades out like that right there. It is not that light. It is more like that color right there. Just to give you the heads up, I don't know, there's a few colors that do that with the videos and the pictures. Of course, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Get you the exact miles. Radio does work. Wipers work. It appeared all the gauges worked earlier. There's your exact miles, 94,696. As far as the dash, good shape, not sun faded or checked or cracked or anything like that. AM FM cassette, of course. 93. And remember, AC does blow cold. And the seat looks like it's free of rips, tears, holes. Slip to the back. Sounds like you'd expect. No loud exhaust, anything like that on it. It's a nice running 5-liter. Speaking of which, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second and let's pop the hood. Let you take a look at the engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a 5-liter. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. And you can see nice, tidy engine bay, not full of corrosion, rust, anything like that. And remember what I said at the beginning of this video, same owner from 1993 to 2001 on the Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, and a very steady and consistent service history with the truck, just maintenance and everything taken care of on this one. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, 1993 Ford F-150 XLT, two-wheel drive regular cab. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.